Hey guys, today we are doing unicorn cookies.
And I'm Addison and this is Avery. And this is and we're in our kitchen right now and this is what we have to do.
So we have an egg.
This is what it's gonna be looking like. This is what it's gonna be looking like.
We're gonna try to make it like that.
Yeah, and I really like it.
So first we're gonna show you the ingredients.
So we have
1 cup of eggs.
So we have a couple bowls and eggs. Some milk, a little bit, and
a plate,
a cooking tray, and
some sprinkles, some I don't know
what is
some
icing?
No,
we
the
have
mixture. The mixture.
No, cookie mix.
Yes, cookie mix.
And this is flour. So our dad will be helping us, and because we don't know what to do. So hey guys, we are back, and this is the first step of the recipe. Yeah.
And the first step is we need to turn the oven on.
For 350. And there we go. So the next part of the recipe is to put the cookie mix in and put an egg in.
And some butter.
There. So
first we need to put in the butter.
Wait, the cookie mix? So we have to put the cookie mix in first, I think. So my sister will be dumping it in to the big bowl. I'll just put this aside. And then now we have to put our egg in.
Hey, sister, I put the egg in.
Oh,
That's not cake for eggs. Out. Don't get egg on me. There's no egg shell.
Shells. Oh.
Good job, Daddy.
Is there any egg shells in here?
No.
Egg shells?
It's just the yolk.
Oh yeah, because it attached.
Yeah, it's the yolk.
Okay. So
and now we need to add
the
butter.
So I'm gonna go wash my hands, guys. I'll be back.
To do the butter.
Okay, so
I'm gonna talk
now
about the butter.
Okay,
The butter's out.
the butter's out, and we are back, and now I have to mix with the blender. So this is so scary.
Okay. And you just don't. I go.
Okay. So.
Okay. Good job, Daddy.
And now we have to mix this big chunk. Okay, so put it in the big bowl and then squish it down with your things, like this. Okay, and then lift it up, and then push it down and do it like a couple times. So yeah.
And my sister's gonna bake buns, and I'm gonna put it on.
So I think that's good, guys, and
we're just gonna make the balls.
So so you don't do it like this. You have to roll it really good, and you only take a little bit, like this, guys. And then now my sister's gonna put it anywhere. And we're just gonna keep going. So we're gonna do rows of 3. So one's gonna go here, 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 and here, here.
I wanna bake first. Hey guys, we are back and we have all the buns made.
6. So we put it 6 on each one. So 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom, and same. And make sure there is a little bit of room. And now we are going to be setting the. Now we will be putting these in the oven. But I think you should have an adult because we're gonna let our dad put it in the oven. So I'm gonna set the timer to 12 minutes so it's already ready. 12 minutes. Now we just have to wait. We're back and we are gonna, while we're waiting for the 12 minutes to end, we are gonna make our frosting.
I'm just mixing all the butter to make it nice and good for the frost.
Okay, now we shaked it and now I'm gonna cut the top.
And I'm gonna keep mixing. This is all the butter.
Okay, Avery, I have to hand this to you.
Sure. Pouring. There you go.
Get some butter. I need some frosting.
Oh, that smells so good.
It smells so good.
I'm gonna put the milk in.
And then let's stir. Avery, get some on the side.
Oh.
Okay, we are back and that's what we have. And now we have to mix again. I have to mix again.
Okay, put it in. And it's going to go. There we go. Good popcorn kernel. Now everything's good. We're going to see how it looks.
So this is how it looks, guys.
It needs to be nice and smooth. And the best part is
you get to lick. You get to lick everything.
Yummy.
Now we are done with the icing. We're just gonna be waiting for the cookies to be made. Guys, the cookies don't look that ready yet.
They don't look good.
They don't look good yet because they are a little bit too big.
Yeah, they're kind of a little bit big. Like the big balls are turned into like big little circles.
Guys, and we are back and the cookies are all done. They are all cool. And we put the icing in this bag. Yeah, and when you look closely to the corner, Dad put a hole in it because then we can just put all the icing down here, fold it like this, and then squeeze it on so it can be easier. And my sister will be putting the decorations on. So now let's get started. Hey guys, we are almost done and then it's almost time for the sprinkling.
Last one.
Here we go.
We're gonna sprinkle it. This one needs a little bit more. Kiki, you love me. You love me.
Okay, so we're almost done. Guys, this is our last cookie and we're just gonna make some more finishing touches. Just because,
Last time, right? You love cookies.
and the best part is that you get to eat them. I hope you love this video. Subscribe to our channel. And yeah.
Bye.